Netboard is a virtual wall where you can organize web content, ranging from videos to web pages, presentations, photos, and so much more. It's very easy to set up an account, and you can watch these video tutorials to understand how to create a page, organize different web content, edit a page, or customize a page. So now let's see how it works and how you can use it to create your own project to use with your classroom. Here, I've given it a title. Imagining you may want to create a plurilingual project based on World War II. So when you first look at the board, it seems quite empty, but it's very easy to populate. You simply have to click on Edit. And you can give a subheader. For example, in this case, we may call it plurilingual project. And then you also get a text box where you can explain, for example, what the project is about. Then this is the page content area. And you can simply post any link here by clicking on the URL. So, for example, let's put a Wikipedia link for World War II, and then you simply click on Post. Now, as you can see, I've added other resources, and so far we have 2 Wikipedia pages, one in Italian and one in English, and 2 videos, again, one in Italian and one in English. So how can you organize your resources? Well, first of all, at the top of the page, you can organize the general layout of the page by deciding about how the resources are going to be displayed, or by customizing the skin of your netboard. Then you can also organize each resource by making different choices. For example, you may lock the position of a specific resource, which means that no matter how many other resources are added, that resource is going to stay in the position you put it. You may move it to the top, move it to the bottom, clone it, send to another tab or to another netboard, and we're gonna look at that in a minute. Change the image, create a dedicated page, disable comments, or you may delete it whenever you want. Now, what is the meaning of sending this resource to another tab? Well, as you can see, I've created a different tab called Resources in Italian that now is empty. So if you want to populate it with the resources you have already collected on the other tab, you simply have to go back to the other tab and click Send to another tab, and then click on Resources in Italian, and that resource is going to be moved in the next tab. And then you can also click on the other resource that was in Italian and do exactly the same. And if you are working in a plurilingual project, you can create as many tabs as you like in different languages. Now, one last thing I wanted to point out is that if you have created your own video lessons, for example, you may either upload them on YouTube or on another provider and then post the link here, as we did for the other resources, or you may simply upload them here, and you can also upload images, documents, whatever you wish. There is also the option of adding a text box directly within the netboard and then edit it so you and your students can create your own content. Now, once you're done, you click on Save. And here you will find your plurilingual project that you can share with your students, decide to keep private or make public. I hope this video was useful and that you can successfully integrate Netboard in your plurilingual lessons.